Hello everybody. This is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I am here to share with you some happy mail that came in, as well as my final hip kit. And I'll share why it's my final one when I get to that. But before I do, I wanted to say that I hope everybody is doing fabulous. I just got back from town and the fall leaves are finally turning here in Missouri, at least in my area. I live outside of Springfield, Missouri. So my husband and I picked up he picked up the RV on the 20th. So today's the 30th, so 10 days ago, and brought it home, and we got it all loaded, and we went for our very first adventure in our new RV on Tuesday, the 21st. And then we headed back, I can't remember, I think Thursday or Friday. Storms were coming in and they said they were going to be pretty bad. But we went to Table Rock Lake, and I shared a reel or a video, I can't remember, a real video, anyway, on Instagram, as well as a picture. And it was just a beautiful, wonderful time. So we are looking forward to doing that again next year. That was just our very first excursion, and then we came home and he winterized it, and then we put the cover on it, and it's all ready for next year for traveling adventures. And he is now in Mississippi. He's only 7.5 hours away from our home, so that's wonderful. And he also found out he gets a few more days off when he comes home each month. So what a blessing. We just praise the Lord for that goodness. So I want to say I've also been blessed by some sweet, crafty friends here. This is from Chris Lawler. Hi, Chris. Thank you for this beautiful card. It says, Happy Fall. And it is so sweet. Love the pumpkins and the pretty leaves. And I love how she colored the different leaves there, and then the different papers she used. And then the pumpkin has a little bow, and it says, Sybil, when I count my blessings, I count you first. Just thinking of you today. Blessings, Chris. And I cannot tell you, Chris, how much that made me happy. When I read your note, saw this card, I was tickled pink. Thank you so very much. Being a card maker, when I receive a card, it is a gift, and it is such a blessing. And I just want to tell you, thank you so much for thinking of me. And then look at this adorable angel tag. It says, an angel's work is never done, and that's embossed. And then look at the pretty pearls there. And is she not adorable? And look at that beautiful bow. Such a pretty, delicate tag. And my dear friend Patty O'Malley made this for me. And on the back it says, Dear Sybil, so blessed to call you a friend. Big hugs, Patty O'Malley 2025. I just love it, Patty. Thank you so much. And she sent me this darling pumpkin that her daughter-in-law makes. Now, I purchased one of these pumpkins, but it was much larger, from her daughter-in-law a few years back. And now I've got the big one and I've got the small one. Isn't that adorable? It just put the biggest smile on my face when I received this happy mail. Thank you, ladies, so very much for thinking of me. You truly blessed my socks off, and I thank you. All right, so I wanted to share with you my very last Hip Kit Club. So I started getting these this year. I've ordered them before in previous years, but this year is the longest time I've received them. I think it was either March or April, and then this is my last one, the month of October. And the reason I'm quitting it for now is because I have so many kits, not just hip kits, but other kits that I need to get working on. And so I absolutely love the hip kits. I think that you get a lot of product. It's good quality product for a low price. And there's other products that you can purchase along with your kits. So it's really a great deal. And I just wanted to share this with you really quick. So I should start here where I had all the stuff. So it's called Sweater Weather is what the kit is this month. Perfect for October. Sorry for the glare there. Hope you can see that. And then I love these. They've added these words that you can, I believe you can spray them. You can do all sorts of things with them. But you see it's hello, costumes, pumpkins, fall, thankful, favorite, chilly, favorite chilly things, favorite chilly days, family, friends, happy heart. And then it's got some, you know, leaves and everything. Really cute. And they've included different ones the last few months that, you know, coincided with their kit. And then there's this ephemera, really cute. Love the pink and the purple. I just love that, and the turquoise. I love non-traditional colors for holidays and seasons, and I love traditional ones as well, but I really love these. They're so adorable. And then these stickers, puffy stickers, super cute. Love the barn. And then there's this one, 108 foam shapes, front and back. Absolutely adorable. And then I got two pockets. I saw a pocket full of sunshine, and then Sweater Weather alphas. I love these with the little dash lines on them, and these are pretty too. And then some borders and flags, really neat. And real quick, before I let you go, I want to show you these beautiful papers. I love polka dots. I know, I love. Isn't that pretty? Oh, goodness gracious. Another pretty, this one's called Falling Leaves. And this one's called Favorite Things. I love that plaid. Oh, I love both sides. What am I gonna do? That's gonna be a hard one to figure. I may have to rip the paper in half like I do oftentimes. Full of Wonder. Oh, that's pretty. And then these borders, it's called Fuzzy Socks. Fabulously fallish. Oh, I just love fall. My favorite season. I'm so thankful the leaves are turning in our neighborhood. I went to the post office and then I drove around the neighborhood to see all the beautiful fall foliage going on. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. And our temps have finally dropped. We were in the 30s this morning. I love the chilly fall weather. Some tags, and well, these are tags and these are cut aparts, and then this last one. So there we go for the final hip kit. I have been making autumn cards. Well, actually I was doing them before I went on our trip with our RV, and I want to share those. I made another card today, so I will be coming on probably today. Well, I'm not sure if I'm going to do it today, but in the next few days, I will share with you my autumn cards. I think I have 9 to share with you. All right, bye for now.